Okay, so we're doing Subway Surfers special, which is what I created. I guess I got two tokens. Um, let's see. I heard that there was an update. I don't think so. It always shows up as a notification, but it isn't. Let's just look at these trades. So, I guess we're gonna go with the first character. What the heck even is this? I guess I could just do this averagely. Normally playing Subway Surfers. What accent do you want me to do? Jack looks at life. Rich Cooper Polly or myself? I think I'm just gonna stick with myself. So at least people can understand me. If you want me to make a full long-form video of me talking like Cooper Polly, sure, but not in the next video. This is gonna be a special one, but yeah, I guess that's gonna be another upcoming video that is going to be on this channel. There's only one, so oh my god. Should this be tomorrow or should this be today? Like tomorrow as a premiere. Because I made this in advance, it's not live. That's why I can respond to comments or whatever. I heard all your guys' comments. PT, if you even wanted to. Here. Anyway, if you could like a comment, hard up comment, I'll do that. Like, sub, if I can see the count, I'll sub on your latest video. I'll click on that. I'll watch the bunch of times. So like the YouTube algorithm will go. Ooh, I'm gonna turn up here. And very unfortunately, I don't get sponsors if they don't want sponsors. Just in the future. I'd never want sponsors. I'm doing this not for anything. I think it's because I want that fun. So, oh, I got the keys to collect. I need to get up to at least 100 feet. Trust me, I do. You know, I could just purchase some keys, but do I want to? I want to do it the hard way. However, ooh, you know, I'm shocked. How the heck do you do that? Oh, this makes sense. Or just start running. Just so you can be happy. What should I do next? I'm so bad at turning my mic on big. Should I play Roblox or what? I could try to put in some Roblox in here. But other than that, we can go ahead, go to my link tree. The officers that I got. We can go follow me on X, Twitter, right? No, I mean TikTok. And just go ahead, follow me on TT. Oh shoot! How were you meant to get past that? That does not make sense. Anytime I see a crack, I want to jump over. But when I meant by X, I meant TT. I don't mean X. Honest. Mix up, I guess. Social media mix up. IDK. Oh, you got it. I didn't even want that bubblegum junk in general, so yeah. That's why I tried to ditch it. What wanna be me? Let's not pretend that let's not react to any Big Bang Theories because number one, they're copyrighted. Number two, I don't want to play soft kitty warm kitty, but I don't want to get a copyright strike. Let's not do that. Because I don't know if any of it's copyrighted. Of course it is. Everything is. Probably even this video is copyrighted. So, I guess. Thanks for 1,000 videos of my shoot. Thank you for 1,000 views. On my videos, I want 12 likes and 1 million views. 12 people liked my video. Thanks, but that was not the goal, so I'm gonna be doing it again. Oh, shoot. Shoot, let's go. Ooh, yeah. This will be a premiere tomorrow, or the weekend. I think one tomorrow and one on the weekend should be fair. It should be fair enough. One scheduled tomorrow, one scheduled today. One scheduled tomorrow, one scheduled on Saturday. So then, I'm confused. Oh gosh. Thanks for the 11 subs. That really helps me with the 1-1. I think that's kind of funny. Let's go. Let's see here. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I was a little crowded there. Oh my, oh, I smacked right in there. I was trying to move, and I guess that was too slow. Ooh, ooh, damn, that's pretty good. So, it's gonna be a chocolate and average video, I'm gonna call it. So let's just go for it. Mission set number 5. I guess I couldn't get it because, oh no. I'll get notifications and play. I kind of quit for the Subway server is just the best. That that's kind of shit. Hope you guys this video is going to be recorded now. No, it isn't. Well, bye guys.